As a child, I was constantly taking things apart. I wanted to understand how things are made and how they work. This curiosity has stayed with me my whole life, and it was the reason I chose to study mechanical engineering at Punjab University in India. One time, whilst I was at the university, I led a team of budding engineers to design and build a go-kart. Although we had to fund the parts from our own pockets. As students, we had to work with what we could afford, so we sourced most of the material from local scrapyards, which was fun. Constrained by limited resources, we were compelled to develop designs based on what material we had. This experience taught me the importance of optimizing designs for efficiency and sustainability. At the age of 19, I also set up a 3D printing business from my home. And since then, I've tried to focus on the efficient use of material and sustainable designs. Through these experiences, along with some internships and collaborations, I was inspired to take a PhD at Nottingham Trent University to explore how artificial intelligence, additive manufacturing, and robotics can be used to improve the future of design. And now I am a lecturer at NTU, where I get to inspire the next generation of designers and engineers. With the power of generative design, I am able to create designs that defy traditional thinking and challenge the status quo, offering solutions that may not even cross a designer's mind due to their preconceptions or biases. And guess what? To bring these designs to life, I use the magic of additive manufacturing. It's all about pushing the boundaries of what's possible while keeping the future of our planet in mind. Being a researcher isn't just a job, it's a journey of discovery and innovation. It's like being a detective on a quest to solve exciting mysteries. My name is Kartikeya Walia, and this is my research revealed.